Welcome to all in my art integrated project. I am Tanvi Avgade, class 10th A, roll number 34, guided by AP Singh. All of you ever heard of state Odisha? Of course, let's see some facts about the Odisha's history. The early history of Odisha can be traced back to the mentions found in ancient texts like the Mahabharata, Mahagovinda Sutta, and some Puranas. There are some historical names of Odisha like Kalinga, Utkala, Mahakantara, Udra, Odra, Odiana, Kamala, Mandala, Chedi, etc. 140 million ago, the peninsular India, including Odisha, was a part of the Gondwana supercontinent. According to some scriptures like Mahabharata and some Puranas, King Bali, the Vairakona and the son of Sutapa, had no sons, so he requested the sage. The sage is said to have begotten 5 sons through his wife named Anga, Vanga, Kalinga, Sumha and Pundra. The prince Kalinga founded the kingdom of Kalinga in the current day region of coastal Odisha. You will be able to see the picture of major temples in the Odisha. First picture is of Jagannath temple in Puri. Second is of Brahmeshwara temple. Third one is Samleshwari temple. And last one is Lingaraj temple. The Portuguese were the first Europeans to build factories in Odisha. They had a settlement in Pipli in Puri district. Culture of Odisha. Odisha has a glorious tradition of music. The figures or dancers and musicians carve an ancient temple walls. In sync with the greatest music of Odisha, the Odissi dance is said to be an effort to come near God and experience true bliss. Apart from the classical Odissi, Chau is also a prominent dance form on the world of Odisha music and dance. Odisha is a confluence of the Aryan, Dravidian and Adivasi cultures. Of the variety of folk music of Odisha, mention may be made of Gita, Bali Puja Gita, Kela Keluni Gita, Dal Khai Gita, Kendra Gita, Jaifula Gita, Ghumara Gita, etc. Let's come to the Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state in the western region of India. It is India's second most populous state and third largest state by area, and includes the major cities of Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Aurangabad and Nashik. From the 6th century CE to the 8th century, the Chalukya dynasty ruled Maharashtra. Two prominent rulers were Pulakeshin II, who defeated the North Indian Emperor Harsha, and Vikramaditya II, who defeated Arab invaders in the 8th century. The Rashtrakuta dynasty ruled Maharashtra from the 8th to the 10th century. The Arab traveler Suleiman called the ruler of the Rashtrakuta dynasty one of the 4 great kings of the world. The Chalukya dynasty and Rashtrakuta dynasty had their capitals in modern day Karnataka and used Kannada and Sanskrit as court languages. The Yadavas of Devgiri dynasty at its peak ruled a kingdom stretching from the Tungabhadra to the Narmada rivers, including present-day Maharashtra, North Karnataka and parts of Madhya Pradesh. Maharashtra was historically the name of a region which consisted of Aparanta, Vidarbha, Mulak, Asaka and Kuntala. Tribal communities of Bhil people inhabited this area, also known as Dandakaranya in ancient times. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the founder of the modern Maratha Empire. His policies were instrumental in forgiving a distinct identity for the Marathi people. He carved out an enclave from the declining Adil Shahi Sultanate of Bijapur. The British ruled for more than a century and brought huge changes in every aspect of life for the people of the Maharashtra region. Maharashtra has a long history of Marathi saints of Warkari religious movement such as Jnaneshwar, Namdev, Sokhamela, Eknath and Tukaram, which forms the one of the bases of the culture of Maharashtra. All of you might have seen some pictures which are familiar with the culture of Maharashtra as it is shown on the screen. First picture is of Lavani. Lavani is the most popular in Maharashtra. Second picture is about the various foods in Maharashtra like idli, dosa, sambar, rice, bhakri, etc. In third picture, people are celebrating Ganpati festival. They are bringing the statue of Lord Ganesha. In last picture, you see the Dindi dance of Warkari religious movement. Both Odisha and Maharashtra have a little similarities between their culture and history. Odisha is tagged with Maharashtra to organize different programs to promote art, culture and tourism under Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. Thanks to all for watching the video.